in the kingdom of Solomon, the Prophet Solomon, the shayateen were teaching people witchcraft to some spell and to destruct people and disturb people psychologically. And also, at that time, they were accusing the Bani Israel that it is Solomon who was teaching this. And it is a lie. The Solomon prophet was doing whatever with the miracle. And whatever the magic was nothing to do with his practice. So Allah said, it's not that the Solomon who was disbelieving, but the shayateen, the devils were making disbelief. So magic or fortune telling are the witchcraft, are the disbeliefs. Example, you go to someone and you ask that person, okay, tell me what will happen to me after 1 week or after 1 month or after 1 year, or what will happen to me in my life. That's also haram. It is shirk actually. Prophet Muhammad said, if you go to the fortune teller and if you ask about future, then your 40 days of salah will not be accepted. And if you believe in the fortune teller, then you will be rejecting the Islam. You are not a believer anymore. You become a disbeliever. So never believe in horoscope or zodiac sign or fortune telling, palm reading or astrology. Some people have astrology, they will see the stars and this will happen. No, this is all false. Leave it to Allah, everything. Allah knows what will happen. He already wrote for us. And whatever He wrote for us, it will happen. So we can always pray to Allah, good for us. And Allah guide us to the right way. This life is temporary. If people are go for this fortune telling and witchcraft, some people they go to witchcraft and they say, okay, give me some spell I can do and then I want to marry that girl so I can make my spell on her. It's all shirk. It is shirkul azim. If you do this all witchcraft or fortune telling, nothing you will get in this world except the curse of Allah, and in the next life you will go to hellfire forever. Because the fortune telling, going to the fortune telling or going to the witchcraft or doing the witchcraft, it's all shirk. And you become a disbeliever. And if you die while committing this, you will never be forgiven by Allah. You will go to hellfire forever. Some people they eat dirty things, they slaughter the animal and they put the blood in, they dig the blood and they put the head of the goat and like this. This all dirty stuff done by those witchcraft people. And they are around everywhere in the world. In Philippines, in Indonesia, in Pakistan, in Bangladesh, India, they are doing it. It's already thousands of years this practice been coming under. And this is all from shaitan. The shayateen are the one who are teaching. And Allah said, they cannot harm anything except by the will of Allah. And they want to make the witchcraft to fight between husband and wife. And Allah said, and the teaching which can neither give harm and nor benefit. And whoever do this, they are selling their iman, their belief, and they will have no share in the hereafter. They will have no share in the hereafter. And the evil that they are teaching, which is for their own bad, if they only knew this.